How to apply for the Costco Anywhere Visa Card. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. At the top, you'll see the search box. Over there, type in Costco.com and search for it. With that, you will be directed to the official website of Costco. Now at the top, you'll see the search box. Over there, type in City Card and then search for it. Now you have to scroll down. Now over here, you will find the card options. In order to get the card, you have to be the member of the Costco. If you don't have an idea how to be the member of Costco, you can watch out my previous video where I have guide to apply for the Costco membership. Or also you can click over here, join to apply and go through the process. Once you do that, now you can choose the card. You will get two options, Costco Anywhere Visa Card or Costco Anywhere Visa Business Card. Go ahead and select this option of Costco Anywhere Visa Card by city. Click on apply now. Now you have to fill this to apply for the card. Just scroll down. Firstly, you need to type in the membership number and then provide your personal information that includes first name, middle name, last name, suffix, likewise home address. Then type in social security number, date of birth, country of citizenship, phone mobile number, email address, social word, and then scroll down. You have to provide the financial information, total annual income, and then monthly mortgage. Likewise, scroll down. If you want to be the authorized user, check in for this option. And scroll down and go through the terms and conditions of the card. Then check in for this option. I have read and agreed with the above terms and conditions. And then scroll all the way down. Once again, you can check your details. After you do that, now scroll all the way down and click on the option of agree and submit. Once you submit this form, you have just applied for the card. So this way you can easily apply for the Costco Anywhere Visa Card. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.